Alright guys, let's talk about pound yen, what's happening. Now you guys saw the last couple days, pound yen had explosive movement up. Now I told you guys I put my target profit here. Now I had multiple orders stacked up, so it only knocked me out of one of my trades, which is really good because I took profits and I'm locking in my other trades right now. But if you entered in around here, like I was talking about before, you don't have to, but this is just me where I entered in. I entered around here, and around here I'm going to buy limit and also market entry. So when it hit here, it took me out of my trade because my overall direction I do see pound yen going is a lot higher because the yen's been getting kind of demolished lately. I do see pound yen heading to these highs over here. Now, I don't know how long it'll take, but I think that it's a really good possibility. And if you can get good on this trade and let it run for a few more months, there's two good things out of it. One, you get some really good capital gains out of it. And what I like about it is the specialization rate is really high for pound yen. So go to specialization and look at that. Swap long is 5.312226 for my broker, and that's pretty good. So every day you're getting some accrued interest. So if it goes negative, just wait out a couple days, might hit positive and do pretty good. So another indication I like on a monthly, you see this hammer right here. That's a good sign of it trying to pull away from those prices and to head a lot higher. Now I do trade on the higher time frame for pound yen. I do have some EAs that trade on a lower time frame for it, but for this trade, I've definitely been buying and stacking up my buys. So if it hits this price area over here into like the 191s basically, so let's just say 190 to make it easier. So that's where I'm thinking it's going to be going to the 190s. I'm going to have multiple entries stacked up. So if it does a pullback, just say it does a pullback around. So just say it hits like the 170s. It does a pullback. I'm definitely going to just keep on re-entering, guys, as I go with this trade. I see the yen getting more hurt and more demolished, and this is a good time to get on this good trade. Have a bunch of orders, but let's see what else we can do. Let's look at the monthly again. You can see that if it hits these highs, it's going to have a big correction, but you're talking about almost 2,000 pips, so that's really, really good, especially for a long-term trade. And all the daily swap fees, swap fees you're gonna be getting. So, a word of advice, like for me, guys, lock in trades, take profits as it goes, small term profits, and the long term trade, long term position. Just lock in those trades and then let those run, and let your exit indicator tell you when to get out. And then you get out within. And if you have a target profit headed up here, you're taking massive profits all the way through. So. When it comes to counter turning, I don't really do that unless my EA enters. But if for me manually, I'm just going to keep on entering on a buy, not short at all. But those are my trading setups, guys. Just tell me what you guys' thoughts are about this video. How did I do, guys? And what do you guys think about the entries and the good target profit? That's really good. I mean, you're talking about almost 300 pips, so that's really good. Just tell me what your thoughts are, guys, and like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.